Hello, and welcome to Sony's Office Tour video. My name is Sean Barrett from the Talent Acquisition Department. To begin, I'd like to ask, how would you imagine your ideal workspace? At Sony, we provide creative working environments where employees with diverse backgrounds and personalities work freely, curated upon our purpose: fill the world with emotion through the power of creativity and technology. Our major offices in the Tokyo and Kanagawa area are located in Shinagawa, Osaki, Minatomirai, and Atsugi. In this video, we'll introduce the highlights of our office locations. So, let's take a look around together. To begin, let's talk about Sony City, the building that houses the headquarters functions of the Sony Group. It's quite large and entirely covered in glass. The Sony logo near the very top of the building and the visible lattice beams are the building's most notable outside features. First, we have the entrance lobby, where cutting-edge Sony products and technologies are on display. Nearby is the History Wall, which showcases the history of the Sony Group since it was founded in 1946. Next, we have the community space called Port. Here, a diverse range of Sony employees connect organically across business and regional boundaries. Port visitors can also borrow books covering business and technology, attend internal trainings, and participate in internal community events. Now, let's move on to the cafeteria. It's as large as a soccer field, and the menu changes daily, offering a variety of Japanese, Western, and Chinese cuisine so that you're always able to try something new. There's also a convenience store and a bakery cafe on the same floor for those who would like to take a short break. Next up is Sony City Osaki. The TV and audio businesses of Sony Corporation and R&D, a division of Sony Group Corporation, are located here. The commute to this building is also convenient since it's directly connected to the Osaki train station. One distinct feature of Sony City Osaki is the bridge terminal on the top floor. This area opened in August of 2016 and serves as a space to build community, promoting collaboration and innovation among employees across various organizations. As the name suggests, it serves as a bridge or terminal to connect new technologies and ideas. In the corner of the bridge terminal, you'll be able to find the Maker Room, where employees can freely use electronic tools such as 3D printers and laser cutters. There's also a cafe bar and a lounge space with a pleasant view, which is conducive to casual interaction and idea generation. Next, I'll introduce the cafeteria at Sony City Osaki. Here, a variety of dishes and cuisines are offered daily. A cafe and convenience store are located on the same floor, where employees can take a moment to relax. Finally, as you approach the staircase landing from the entrance hall, you'll find a Trinitron TV, which was manufactured during the Sony Osaki Nishi Tech era, signifying the importance of this office location in Sony's history. Let's move on to the Atsugi Technology Center, commonly called Atsugi Tech, where the headquarters of our imaging and sensing solutions business, Sony Semiconductor Solutions Corporation, is located. We call this green outdoor area in the center of the site Central Park. Sometimes, this area is used for conducting tests necessary for technological development. The Komichika is a space at Atsugi Tech that aims to support those undertaking new challenges. It's managed by a network of employees connected across organizational boundaries, from planning to operations. Many employees use this space to realize their ideas and/or create prototypes. Atsugi Tech also holds unique grounds, where you'll find 3 tennis courts and an employee dormitory located right behind. Lastly, I'll introduce Atsugi Tech's cafeteria. As you can see, it's quite spacious, divided into 2 floors, and includes a cafe. Here, employees enjoy their food while looking at the beautiful mountains of Tanzawa. To conclude our tour, I'll introduce Sony City Minatomirai, an office that opened in December 2020. This building is located in front of Shin Takashima Station, which is walking distance from JR Yokohama Station. The first floor is occupied by restaurants and a space to rest. Now, let's take a look inside. The first thing you might notice at Sony City Minatomirai is the sophisticated entrance for welcoming visitors. Here, you can experience Sony's unique design while also exploring the display area showcasing Sony's products and awards. Next is the community space called Port Minatomirai. Minatomirai's port houses many resources for deepening and materializing ideas. It is also equipped with a studio for shooting video and for real-time video synthesis and easy distribution of high-quality video. Last, we've arrived in the cafeteria, which spans the entire floor and offers a cafe and a wide variety of Japanese, Western, and Chinese dishes. Here, there are usually so many options that it can be difficult to decide what to eat. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour. I hope you enjoyed this inside look into our major offices in Tokyo and Kanagawa, and hope you gained some insight about what it might be like to work at Sony. In addition to this video, we've released other videos introducing Sony's purpose and initiatives that deliver excitement, as well as systems that support diverse work styles and career development. Please take a look there to get a better idea about how we think about and develop our working style at Sony.